In every generation, some buildings are not just constructed, but still they become the identity of the city. In Navi Mumbai too, several commercial landmarks has redefined the city's business landscape. And today, I'm taking you inside of one such ambitious commercial development which is taking shape in the heart of Vashi Business District. Hi, I'm Priyanka Manod. Welcome back to City IQ. Today, I'm in Vashi Sector 80, which was once popularly known as Mafco Market. Today, it is rapidly emerging as one of Navi Mumbai's most established commercial district. The project you see behind me is Akshar Group's upcoming commercial town. The code name Akshar Elevate. In this episode, we won't simply read through a brochure. Instead, we will explore what makes this project different, who it may be suitable for, and what commercial real estate outlook looks like in the location like Vashi. In commercial real estate, building is important, but just as important are three things: location, location, and location. Vashi's biggest advantage isn't just its address, it serves as a strategic business gateway between Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. For any business owner, accessibility has a direct impact on productivity. That's why evaluating the location is essential before making any investment. Now, let's take a look at the sample office. When purchasing a commercial office, looking at corporate area isn't enough. Ceiling heights, natural lighting, column placement, layout flexibility, and the visitor's experience are equally important. If the office is planned more efficiently, the same amount of space will support more productive business operations, which means ultimately more profitability. One advantage of visiting an under construction project is that you can evaluate the quality of execution firsthand. Construction quality cannot be judged solely by the finished interiors. The discipline and quality of execution are equally important indicators. So now comes the important question. Could commercial real estate in Navi Mumbai be an attractive opportunity for investment? Every investor has different objectives. Some focuses only on rental incomes, while other investors focus on long-term capital appreciation, and some are focusing on long-term ownership for their own businesses. When evaluating this property, be sure you consider all these three perspectives. Akshar Group, the elite brand in real estate industry, is redefining the way we live. Having developed the mastery and aptitude in 28 years, Akshar Group has built a heritage of delivering best-in-class landmarks across Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Pune, and Ahmedabad. Buying a commercial property is much more than purchasing an office space. It's about choosing your future business address. What stood out to me in this project is combination of three things: planning, scale, and location. But like any investment, make sure you carefully consider your budget, your goals, and conduct due diligence before making any final decision. If you are interested in this project and you want more information on it, you can DM me. I am Priyanka Manod. You have been watching City IQ. In our next episode, we will decode another interesting location, property in Navi Mumbai. Till then, stay tuned, stay informed, and see you soon.